Welcome to WiserNotify. In this video, we'll go over the Manage Notification Settings screen in WiserNotify. Here you see all websites where you are targeting the notification. Click on any website. Here now let's understand each section in detail so you can fully understand how to customize your notification behavior, style, and privacy settings. Let's get started. First, we have the Loop Settings section. This feature ensures that your social proof notifications keep displaying in a cycle when they meet a specific data threshold. This helps maintain engagement by continuously showcasing sales, leads, or reviews without stopping. Let's say, if you set it to 3, and if any social proof notifications, sales, leads, or reviews, are live and have at least 3 data points, the system will display them once. Once a visitor has seen all 3 notifications, the system will restart the cycle, showing them again. This process continues, ensuring that notifications remain active and visible. Next is the Close Settings section. Pause all notifications. This option allows you to temporarily stop displaying notifications for visitors who click the close icon. Always display a close icon. Enable this to allow visitors to dismiss notifications whenever they want. If you turn off this option, visitors will not see the close icon on any notifications. Next is Loop Notifications Order. Here, you can decide how your notifications are displayed in specific orders. Random order. Choose this if you have multiple notifications and want them to appear randomly on your site. Set notifications to loop. Drag and drop your notification types to define their order. For example, you can prioritize reviews, page views, or recent leads or sales leads. You can also enable Prioritize Leads Sales Notification from the visitor's country to show location-relevant notifications first. Next, we have the Customize Pixel Settings section. Form Field Names. When using lead-type notifications, WiserNotify's Pixel automatically captures form submissions from your website and extracts data from the form fields. However, some website forms use custom field names, which the Pixel might not detect correctly. To ensure WiserNotify captures the right information, such as visitor names, you can manually specify the correct form field ID. Here in CSS and JavaScript section, you can use it to add custom styles to match your site's design or advanced scripts to extend notification functionality. Privacy and GDPR section helps you stay compliant. Enable this Request Cookies and Permissions option to ask visitors for permission to use cookies, local storage, or track their data. By default, it is set to off. Use Track IP and Geolocations option if you want to track your visitors' IP addresses and geolocation data. Keep it enabled if you want to show the location name into social proof notification. Enable Store Visitor Email ID option to store email IDs when visitors submit the form on your website. By default, it is set to off. This third-party analytics section allows you to send notification data like impression, hover, and clicks events to external platforms to Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Mixpanel, and Facebook Analytics. This is especially useful for analyzing how notifications are contributing to your marketing efforts. In the Other Options section, you can fine-tune additional settings. Profanity filter. Automatically block inappropriate words from your notifications. Use Duplicate Data Filter to prevent notifications from showing duplicate data to visitors. Use Block IP addresses to add specific IPs to exclude internal traffic or unwanted users to be counts in analytics. Use Country-Specific Notifications option to target or exclude notifications for visitors from particular countries. And that's a complete overview of the Manage Notification Settings screen. Each section is designed to give you full control over how notifications behave and appear on your site. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat.